Welcome to my channel. I am Tech. Today my topic is inorganic fertilizer. Inorganic fertilizer. The massive quantities of inorganic fertilizer affect the soil nutrition and holding capacities. Inorganic fertilizer are the substance containing chemical elements such as manure of or mixture of nitrates that improve the growth of plants. They give nutrients to the crops and produce more fruit, faster growth, and more attractive flowers when added to soil or waste products. Inorganic fertilizer is probably almost as old as agriculture. Modern chemical fertilizers is probably almost as old as agriculture. Modern chemical fertilizers include one or more of the three phosphorus and potassium chemicals. Fertilizer are supply plant nutrients applied to agriculture field to supplement required elements found naturally in the soil. An environmental hazard is the condition which has the potential to treat natural environment or adversely affect people's health, including pollution and natural disasters. The farmers apply fertilizer for better growth of their crops, but on the other side, these fertilizers pollute water and soils as well. The massive quantities of inorganics affect the soils. The high solubility fertilizers also degrade equations through autotrophications, means an increase in chemical nutrition, typically compound containing nitrogen or phosphorus in an ecosystem's storage, and the applications of some nitrogen fertilizers may cause emission of greenhouse gas, nitrous oxide, amino gas, NH may be emitted from applied inorganic fertilizer. This extra ammonia can also increase our soil acidity. Excessive nitrogen fertilizer can lead to pest problems by increasing their reproduction rate. It is recommended that the nutrition content of the soil and nutrition required of crop should be carefully balanced with application of inorganic fertilizers. It is critical to supply to more than is needed. Any excess in nutrition will definitely develop pollution of any kind. Holotrophic nutrition is the type of heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic organisms have nutrients will be defined. It is type of heterotrophic nutrients have to require and take in all the organic substances they need to survive. There are 7 major classes of nutrients: carbohydrates, protein, minerals, fiber, vitamins, and waters. Carbohydrates are necessary of your body, especially grain. Source of simple carbohydrates include fruit, sugars, and processed grains such as white carbon dioxide, include rice or flours. You are find complex carbohydrates digested slowly. Salts, bean, and lentils, the most common and abundant form are sugar, fiber, and starches. Protein consists of units called amino acids attached together in complex formations. Protein are complex molecules. The body takes longer to break them down. As a result, they are much slower and long-lasting source of energy than carbohydrates. There are 20 amino acids. The body synthesizes some of them from components within the body, but it cannot synthesize 9 of the amino acids called essential amino acids. They must be consumed in the diet. Body protein is used for energy. The energy obtained from carbohydrates, proteins, protein and fat is measured in the units called calories. Fat are complex molecules. Thanks for watching.